Welcome. In front of me is a Odys Thanos 10, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. Now to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From settings, select storage, tap on your SD card, and then tap on the three dots right up here and select storage settings. In the storage settings, you will find an option called Format. Click on it. This will bring up a message that formatting your SD card will result in you losing all the data from it. So if there is anything on your card that you would like to keep, maybe photos, music, anything of that sort, do make a copy of it before you begin, otherwise you lose it permanently. And assuming you have already done that copy, or you just don't want to make a backup of it, you can proceed by selecting Format SD card. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple seconds in here. And should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.